and I'm going to be unboxing your September Teacher Care Crate this month, so let's dive right into the fun. When you receive your Teacher Care Crate, you're going to be greeted by your info card, and the September box is a lot of fun. The theme is Teacher Essentials, so perfect for back to school, perfect for all year round fun. So can't wait to show you. Of course, I'm going to be unboxing all the fun that's inside the box, but you're also going to get your digital downloads this month, so it's a fun one. Don't miss out. Stay tuned to the very end of the video. So let's dive right in. The very first thing that you're going to add to your collection of art prints this month is Every Child Needs a Champion. I love the bright colors. I love the varsity letters, and I love the fun patches, because also on the back you're going to get a chance to see a rainbow one and also have room to leave a coworker, teacher, student that you know a fun and kind note this month, or add this to your collection. You're also going to get a fun thing to add to your teacher desk, which is sticky notes. You're going to get all these fun Post-its that come in all these bright colors, and this is great because it keeps everything in one place at your teacher desk, so perfect to add. You're also going to get these super cute gold detailed with pom-pom details paper clips, and they're going to be perfect for you for grading and keep everything organized. So you're also going to get what every teacher needs for back to school, hand sanitizer, which is going to have a fun pom-pom detail, perfect for keeping those back to school germs away. Plus the fun that I love this month, and you're going to get a set of teacher bracelets. You're going to love that one has a teacher detailed beads. That's a pencil design. One's like this super cute wood bead design with an apple eraser, plus a gold detail beads with fun hearts. So perfect to wear as a collection set or one by one. Now, what every teacher is going to be excited about is this fun self-inking stamp, and it is a please sign correct, finish and return design, so perfect for stamping and putting on all your graded papers this month and throughout the school year. So this one is a perfect one to keep near you at all times. You're also going to get this gorgeous teacher bag. It's actually 3 connected, and you're going to get these fun gold zipper designs, perfect for stashing away all the fun that you need at your teacher desk or in your car or on the go. It's perfect. So I love these fun colors too. And what every teacher needs for self-care needs, a new face mask. And this one's a perfect one. It's an energizing and caffeine mask. So perfect for when you get home throughout the school year and you need just a second to yourself. So love what comes in the September box for your teacher essentials, but it doesn't stop there, because you're also going to get access to all your digital downloads. And this month, of course, you get your calendar sets. I love this fun, bright, pencil-themed one for September. Plus, you're also going to get your weekly planner set, so perfect for printing all throughout the school year. You're also going to get fun things for your students as well to add to your early finisher bins, coloring sheets, puzzles, all kinds of word searches, mazes. There's all kinds of fun things. So perfect for back to school and for fall and autumn. But the one thing that I think most teachers are going to be super excited about, because I sure was you get access to the alphabet set of the varsity letters and numbers this month. So of course I printed September just so you could see S, E, P, and T. These are so cute. You're going to be able to download them and use them for anything that you need in your classroom this school year. So love the September kit. Don't forget to check out your teacher essentials. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you back for October's unboxing. Have a good school year.